Welcome to Autism Mathematics. In this video, we are to find the largest 4-digit palindromic number that is divisible by 15. 4-digit palindromic number. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this. First of all, when we say palindromic number, what does it mean? So, palindromic numbers read the same forward and backward. What it means is that when you start from here, it is the same as when you start from the back. So example is, see, if you are beginning from here, 3, 2. If you are starting from here to 3, 2. So that makes it palindromic number. So looking at the definition, we can say that the general form will be A, B, B, A. Yes, the first and then the last digit will be the same, and then the middle two numbers will also be the same. So let's start by when a number is divisible by 15. So for this problem, to be able to understand it well, you need to go back to your divisibility rules. They are about 18 when you take any book. They are always there. So the general form of palindromic number will be A, B, B, A. That is, the first and last digit will be the same. Then the two middle numbers will also be the same. Okay. So, a number is divisible by 15 here if it is divisible by 3 or 5. So we will look at divisibility rule for 3 and then 5. Okay, so let's start with the 5. Now, when do we say a number is divisible by 5? When that number ends with 5 or 0, then we say that the number is divisible by 5. And so our A, which is the first digit and then the last digit, are going to take 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Now remember, when you are looking at a number, you can't start a number with 0. So that takes this one off, takes it out, leaving 5. So we can confidently say that A here, the first digit, will be 5. If the first digit is 5, then the last digit will also be 5. So the number now becomes 5BB5. So let's see how we are going to find the value of B. Now, we said that then if a number is divisible by 15, then that number is also divisible by 5 or 3. We have looked at the 5. Let's check the 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is also divisible by 3. So when you take in a number, add the digits. If it is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So let's add the digits. That is, 5BB is divisible by 3 if and only if that adding the digits will also be divisible by 3. So when we add the digits, we are going to get 10 plus 2B. So having this is the number. Let's try to figure out those values that will make this expression satisfy. So when we take 1, when B is 1, 2, it will be 10 plus 2, which is 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, let me take 2. 2 times 2 will be 4. 10 plus 4 will be 14, and that 14 is not divisible by 3. So let's take 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. Of course, 18 is also divisible by 3. And then let's take the last one, 7. So 10 plus 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 10 plus 14 is 24. Which means that this, when B is 7, the number will also be divisible by 3. So by observation, we are saying that B will take the value of 1, 4, and 7. Now remember, we are looking at the largest 4-digit number. So if we are talking about the largest, then we will cross out 1, we will cross out 4 and then take 7. So among the values of B, 7 will give us the largest 4-digit number. And if that is the case, then the largest 4-digit palindromic number, which is divisible by 15, will then be 5775. That making B is equal to 7. That will be the largest palindromic number, which is divisible by 15. So the sum of digits will be 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5, which is equal to, this one is 12, this one is 12, 24. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. I appreciate your time. If you are watching me for the first time and you like this video, just click on the subscribe button for more exciting and engaging videos like this. Bye.